Good morning, what is up guys? Teenricer here, back at it again with another video. And today guys, we got something special planned out. We're gonna do the exhaust on my car, hopefully, if my teacher doesn't flake on me. We're gonna do an exhaust on the car. I don't know if he's gonna let me help him out, but usually whenever I do something on my car in the shop over there at school, he does it because he hides his tools. But you know, that's his thing. So if he wants to do it on his own, it's fine with me, you know. But anyways, I almost got scammed, and I'm going to talk about this when we get back home and when we start coming home from school, because it's very important and it's something very funny to me because it's very funny. So you probably already know what it is. You guys are thinking about it, you know, you probably do know what it is. So let's head to school and get this exhaust in there. I want to hear how it sounds. Hey, Rodnock! Come here, Rodnock! Rodnock! Come here! Say something to the camera, Rodnock. Come on. What happened? What happened, huh? What happened? Tell the world. Tell the world what happened.
It's about to fucking blow up.
Yeah, it's about to blow up. Why?
Because it's fucking not.
No, because you beat the hell out of it.
I didn't beat the hell out of it.
So we're out here about to put an exhaust on the car. We got my teacher driving my car.
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna put on my exhaust. Oh. Boop. We got pipes. Big pipe. 2-inch pipe.
Are you good those? Over here. You over here? Recording my car. You know, doesn't have no windows, but it still works. You know, you got it over there. I got it on park. You know, it's oh, it comes with free McDonald's and shit. You know. It's all good. It smells good. Oh, yeah, you know it smells good because I always got Clorox in there, bro. What? What? What?
So this pastor, he just came over to my car with a little blade and started ripping apart that one because it said hella. He's like, you're not supposed to have that. And he started ripping it off, and then I got into an argument with him. Some pastor. I used to go to his church. No, I don't, because he did that. I'm like, you didn't touch my car like that. Rev it up so the world can hear you. Oh. Do you not feel bad that you're doing Rodnock right now? Ridiculous. Freaking ridiculous. You better blow this thing up, dude. Alright, bro. Alright, so this video I was supposed to upload it yesterday, but I didn't, and because yes, it was just a very crappy day for me. To be honest with you, it was the most crappiest day I've ever had in my life. And you know, from one, we couldn't put the exhaust on because the bolts were all rusted out and they wanted to do way too much, and I wanted to do it myself, but they didn't let me. So, but that happened. I couldn't put on my exhaust, which was a fail, and I just got told something about the K-powered cord. That thing was stolen. It was a stolen car. Right now I'm in shock. I was in shock when they told me that. I was like, what the freak? I was about to buy a stolen car. They took it out the guy's yard right when they found out that it wasn't his, and it's ridiculous, to be honest with you. And you know, kind of feel bad because I kind of wanted that motor, but it's all right. Lesson learned. I don't know what would have happened if I would have bought that car. Problems would have came to my house, all that stuff, and I don't want no more problems. That's the last thing I want. So anyways, yeah, it was a very crappy day. I'm sorry for this crappy little video, but this video, I want to tell you guys that I'm doing a review for my Honda my little Civic. So I did a review. I'm editing it right now. So if you guys would like to see that review, remember, leave the thumbs up. I want to see if we can hit 50 thumbs up. If we can hit 50 thumbs up, that would be very awesome. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed tomorrow's video, which is going to be the review. Kind of did, you know, decent job on the review. Just, you know, leave your feedback on it. That's what I really want, is your feedback on the review, because I'm gonna be doing a couple of them now, since, you know, it's pretty much something I want to do for the channel. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, and don't do what I just did and do what I just did and not buy something that's stolen. You guys already get the gist. Don't buy something that's stolen. What's up, guys? Teenricer here, back at it again with another video.